On the off chance that you are thinking about how to purchase the Pi coin for your portfolio, you can't. Clients who have mined the Pi cryptographic money may have the option to pull out or trade their coins during the task's third stage when it moves to a decentralized blockchain. Pi can't be moved during the testing progressively work to keep counterfeit records from aggregating coins, as per the venture's site. Wallet adjusts are supposed to be regarded when Pi shifts from the testnet to a mainnet, when the blockchain convention emerges from improvement and is completely sent. The last tweet was tied in with crossing 3.5+ million Druin pioneers as they plan to celebrate as a local area as we approach Pi Day 2020 and their next period of improvement. What is Pi Network? Pi Network is a digital currency project whose objective is to make crypto mining open to all clients. The centralization of original advanced monetary standards, for example, Bitcoin, has made them difficult to reach to ordinary clients. Hence, a Pi excavator will partake in the advantage of further developed openness, in contrast to a Bitcoin digger. The Pi network was created by Moves On from Stanford University, and it permits clients to mine coins from its portable application. The exchanges are approved on a disseminated record during mining. Pi is controlled by blockchain innovation. Inquisitively, another site assumes praise for the Pi organization, utilizing its logo and cases. Pi Network as a cryptographic money project began by the group of computer researcher Dr. Nicholas Kokolis and his significant other, Dr. Chengdiao Fan. Their point is purportedly to create a digital money called Pi and a biological system in which to utilize it. Stage 2 of the task was sent off a year after the fact, and the Pi network stage achieved over 3.5 million clients. The Pi application began to run promotions on the Pi network in May 2020, and these advertisements gave assets to supporting the Pi network project. In March 2021, the Pi network had accomplished 14 million clients subsequent to crossing the 12 million imprint in February. The Pi network stage gives a framework on which Pi coin runs. Very much like other cryptos, for example, Bitcoin, there is a need to safeguard its shortage. That is the reason it goes through an ordinary splitting process. The quantity of coins an excavator gets for handling new exchanges is decreased by half in the wake of arriving at an achievement. After the Pi blockchain accomplished 100,000 clients, mining Pi coins was split from 1.6 at each hour. It was again split to 0.4 after its client base arrived at 1 million, and again to 0.2 subsequent to arriving at 10 million. This pattern is supposed to keep on arriving at 0 in the wake of arriving at 1 billion clients. During Pi digital currency mining, the Pi Hub utilizes an agreement calculation in light of Stellar Consensus Protocol (SCP) to approve exchanges and arrive at an agreement with other Pi hubs. Some Pi clients consider it to be a method for participating in crypto starting from the earliest stage and procure benefits from here on out. Who uses Pi Network? Pi Network clients are dispersed universally. They help to develop the organization by carrying out various roles to push the organization along. There are 3 classifications of these clients, specifically. Pioneers. They keep the organization occupied simply by signing into their application consistently and affirming that they are not robots. Contributors. They fabricate a believed network by giving a rundown of trailblazers that they know by and by. Ambassadors. They utilize the Pi organization and furthermore present different clients through references. As such, they are group manufacturers. Node. A client who joins the jobs of the initial 2 and works a Pi network hub. This classification of organization clients helps to approve the organization and keep its trustworthiness as well as assuming different parts. Everybody playing any of the above jobs can procure new Pi coins for their parts in supporting the organization. The plan of the Pi network makes it extremely advantageous to utilize, and, for this, clients have moved to it. In the span of 2 months of its end-off, the organization had previously recorded more than 200,000 dynamic clients. Toward the start of February 2021, the organization had something like 2.5 million excavators who mine the digital currency involving various gadgets, and in excess of 10 million clients altogether. Indeed, even with such advancement, the Pi network is still in the first of the 3 periods of the task. The Pi crypto will be accessible on digital money trades toward the finish of the 3rd stage. At this stage, the people who are mining currently will actually want to exchange their Pi cryptographic money for different monetary standards. The task is still in its beta stage, and new excavators can be added rigorously by greeting. The mining of Pi will go on until the organization arrives at 10 million Druin pioneers, excavators. This is the moment that the mining award will drop to nothing. Pi Network Price Prediction 2022. In the event that the cost of Pi follows similar way as numerous other digital currencies, we expect a flood in the last part of 2022. Pi Cash may be presented on trades in July 2022 if the open mainnet dispatches as planned. Pi Network Price Prediction 2023. The crypto business might recuperate from the current bear market in 2023. The Pi money is supposed to follow any market blasts, hence, its cost might ascend to new all-time highs in 2023. The more extensive crypto craze can likewise support the Pi digital currency. For instance, on the off chance that the buzz emerges in the late winter of 2023, its group can showcase effectively on Pi Day. Eminently, it meets Elon Musk's model for a digital currency that could ultimately turn into an installment medium in Tesla. Pi Network Price Prediction 2024. In 2024, we expect the Pi crypto to continue to rise. As recently said, any crypto local area fervor can extensively help this computerized money's valuation. Pi may not be very productive on the off chance that the market doesn't improve and stays at its ongoing level, however it might in any case be a strong venture. All things considered, on the off chance that you didn't pay anything for it, any value the Pi crypto accomplishes is a benefit. Pi Network Price Prediction 2025. What's the significance here in 2025? On the off chance that all works out positively, the cryptographic money will probably remain around a similar cost for a long, in the same way as other altcoins. For this situation, Pi will possibly rise when the market is developing or when the local area or engineers support it. Obviously, in the event that a VIP or a gigantic company sees Pi, its cost might soar, perhaps surpassing $1. At the ongoing extended coursing supply of 40M, its market cap would be almost equivalent to that of XRP. Pi Network Price Prediction 2026. Our Pi coin cost gauge for 2026 is that the digital money will hit new highs. All things considered, we anticipate that this drive should acquire in ubiquity after some time, thusly, its cost will unavoidably climb. The Pi organization's versatile first system will doubtlessly help it later on, as the computerized world continuously gets away from PCs and towards tablets and cell phones. While it is hard to appraise the future cost of the Pi coin, we can see that it can possibly become perhaps